All right, so the point of this test here is going to be to figure out exactly when the vehicle is going to make contact with the trailer. So I'm using a hitch, which is pictured here in the insert. It's just a standard, it's a one mount, but it's the same thing as that Curtis that you see right there. And it's a standard length hitch. The only thing about it is that it's adjustable up and down. So I'll just back the vehicle up here and kind of see at what point it makes contact. And that will be the test. So here we go. Okay, go ahead and back up. Just keep going. Keep going. All right, stop. Okay, so that would definitely touch there. So at that point, you're pretty close to that. That's like 3 inches maybe. And you can see that's touching the tire right now. So you'd be basically in a jackknife situation. Go ahead and go forward. Forward. All right, turn this way. Yep. Yeah, just keep going forward. Keep turning. Yeah, just keep turning. Just keep turning. All right, stop. Hold on. All right, keep turning. Slowly. All right. Again, I think sooner or later it would touch there, but that's what it looks like. All right, so you can see that it's going to take like an extreme turn of some sort, like a jackknife situation, for you to actually make contact. And the point at which you'll make contact is the actual jack. Whether you're turning left or right, it doesn't really matter. But that brings us to the end. Thanks for watching.